Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your BMW M5 in park. It's a straightforward process once you understand the electronic gear selector. Simply bring your vehicle to a complete stop, then locate and press the dedicated P button. This action safely engages the parking brake and locks the transmission, ensuring your M5 remains securely in place. Your BMW M5 also offers convenient automatic parking features. For instance, if you turn off the engine, the vehicle will automatically engage park. Similarly, opening the driver's door while the engine is running and the car is stationary will also activate park, adding an extra layer of safety and preventing unintended movement. To manually engage park, first ensure your BMW M5 is completely stationary. Then, look at your gear selector. You'll find a clearly marked P button. Press this button firmly. You should see a confirmation on your instrument cluster indicating that park is engaged, giving you peace of mind that your vehicle is secure. Remember a few important tips for parking your M5. Always try to park on a level surface. If you're on an incline, always engage the electronic parking brake in addition to selecting park for maximum security. Never attempt to engage park while the vehicle is in motion, as this could cause damage. Your owner's manual has more details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.